Do you want to make use of your free time wisely? Or looking for opportunities to earn extra income while staying at home? Well, you click the right button.
Hello everyone, it's me again, Charlyn, and welcome back to my channel, where you can get some tips and ideas on how to earn extra money online. So if you are just new here on my channel and you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, do it now and tap the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong videos dahil dito nag-a-upload tayo ng mga online opportunities, home-based jobs at app tutorials na pwede nating pagkakitaan. Are you looking for cash app that pays you real money? Well, for today's video, I will share with you another trending mobile application kung saan pwede tayong kumita ng pera by just simply playing free games. What? Libre na kikita ka pa? Yes, you heard it right guys. Pwede tayong kumita ng pera dito sa pamamagitan lamang ng pag-i-install at paglalaro ng kanilang newly featured games. Napakadali lang, di ba? All you have to do is play and you will be rewarded for your time. And take note guys, you will be rewarded every second that you play. Hindi ito kagaya ng ibang apps na you have to reach a certain level and you will earn coins or rewards. No, dito sa app na ito, from the moment that you install the game, let it run, and play, you are already earning free coins. So easy! The more you play, the more money you'll make, and you can cash out your earnings straight to your PayPal account. And the good thing on this application guys, it's completely free. You don't need to invest anything. Wait, daldal ako ng daldal, hindi ko na nasasabi sa inyo kung anong app yung tinutukoy ko. Okay, so the app that I am referring to you guys is no other than Cash 'em All. Earn real money by just playing games. I will put the link in the description box below para madirect kayo mismo sa app na ito. Kung gusto niyo kumita ng ganito kadali, watch until the end of this video and I will show you step by step on how to make money on this app. But before that, I have an announcement to make. Matagal ko nang pinaplano to guys, but it's just now I can make it happen dahil sa sobrang busy ko. Magkakaroon po tayo ng GCash giveaways starting on my next upload. So abangan nyo yan. I will choose top 3 commenters to win 50 pesos GCash money. Just leave your Facebook or IG name after your comment and I will reach out to you directly if you are the lucky one. For more on the mechanics, watch this. Alright, sa mga abangers dyan, be ready. But for now, let's move on to our video tutorial.
Now let's begin. Just go to the Play Store and download Cash 'em All. Napakaganda ng application na ito guys. It has now 10 million downloads and 4.3 stars ratings. Just click install and wait for a moment. After that, click open and it will redirect us to the main dashboard. After nating ma-install guys, meron na tayong 9,444 coins agad-agad. But before we start earning with games guys, we have to grant this permission first in order for them to detect our playtime. So, just click grant, access, and now we can start earning. Ayan, we immediately got a gold deal. Earn double amount of coins from September 25 to 27. Amazing! At ito naman ang ating wallet guys, which I told you earlier na nakapag-earn na tayo ng 9,444 coins. So if you want to earn more aside from playing games, you can also invite your friends. You can get up to 100 coins for each invite. And all you have to do is just share it to your friends via Facebook or other social media platform. Like what I've said earlier guys, meron na tayong 9,444 coins. So, konti na lang, pwede na tayo makapag-cash out ng 49.23 pesos. But before cashing out, we need to do the face verification first, which I will show you later on. But for now, let's start earning by playing games. Okay, now let's start with the first one, Coin Master. We are redirecting you to Coin Master, so just click install. Napakasimple lang ang gagawin natin guys. We just need to install the game, let it run, and play for 5 minutes. Or you can play even more. Okay, na-download na natin yung game guys. All we need to do is to play for at least 5 minutes. Oops, connection lost. It means mahina ang ating internet connection. So, just refresh. Ayaw pa din. Try to refresh it again. Sometimes it really happens guys, lalo na pag hindi stable ang ating internet connection. So, make sure na malakas ang connection nyo kapag naglalaro kayo sa game na ito. But at least we already installed the game and let it run for 1 minute. O ayan, we already earned 494 coins. Not bad. Okay, so now let's try another one. Try naman natin mag-play ng 5 minutes guys. Marami tayong pagpipilian dito guys. Just scroll down and you can choose the game that you want to play. So the same procedure, just click start playing and then click play and collect. And it will automatically go to Play Store and install the game. So wait lang natin. Ayan. Alright, so we are in. At ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin guys, we have to play this game for at least 5 minutes. Now, if you are busy, you can actually do this during your free time. But if you have kids at home, you can actually let them play this game. So easy, for as long as you play at least 5 minutes of this game, or even longer, you can earn a corresponding points. Okay, now, let's try to play this game guys, but I'm not good at this, pero subukan natin.
5 minutes later.
O ayan guys, I now earn 928 coins for just playing 6 minutes and 7 seconds. If you want to earn more, just go back to the dashboard and there's a lot of game options here that you can choose to play. So now the last part, I will show you how to cash out on this app. So just click Payout and you can find here the corresponding amounts that you can cash out. From 9.85 up to 393.85 pesos. And aside from that, we also have another options here guys to cash out using 7-Eleven. Now if you want to withdraw via 7-Eleven, you must need at least minimum 100 pesos up to 1,000 pesos. Okay, right now I already have 10,866 coins. So pwede na ako makapag-withdraw ng 49 pesos. All we need to do is click the amount and it will pop up this message. You are required to verify your face in order to check that you are a legitimate user of Cash 'em All. So just click start and verify yourself. Right after verifying guys, you have to input your PayPal address in order for you to receive your payout. And we are done.
And that's it. Ganun lang kadali kumita sa application na ito guys. You don't need to spend more time completing tasks, answering surveys, and etc. Just download the app, play games, and you will earn money every second that you play. Free games and free money in one app. So that's the end of this video. Hopefully this will help you get new ideas on how to earn extra money online. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit like, share, and tap the notification bell for more upcoming videos. And don't forget to join our GCash giveaways. Kaya abangan nyo guys ang ating susunod na upload. And also follow me on my Facebook fan page and IG account for more updates and announcements. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!